Today from Great Taste of Las Vegas, we're gonna make stuffed French bread with pork and vegetable. Okay, we're gonna need the help of a cuisinier to chop the cabbage and the sweet onion together to put in the pork, okay? We use only the chopper. First, we have several pounds of, like 2 pounds of pork right here, ground pork, cabbage, and 1 sweet onion together. Okay, we have some old French bread in the refrigerator. If you can cut them thin like that so you can stuff them. Just spray some water on it like that. Wet it first to make it soft. You can cut them in half like that. It's easy to buy them when you cook, after you cook and stuff it. Like this piece is thick, so I make them into 3 pieces. Like this one, it's thick, so you do 3 pieces. Why? It's easy to bite after you cook, okay? While you're doing that, at the beginning, you turn on the oven and let it warm up to 325 or 350. And then try to arrange it. If you make more than that and get a bigger pan. We have a cabbage like that, we just peel everything off. We take the first layer out of that, so everything clean, you just have to cut them. Make the side easier for you to feed through the machine, okay? You don't need to wash it because if you peel the first layer out, you can see there's really good cabbage. You don't need to clean, it's already clean. And then we can turn the machine on and start feeding it through the machine, okay? We have 2 pounds of ground pork and then put them in here. So now we just peel 1 onion, 1 sweet onion. My onion, this one is pretty clean, but if you worry, you can rinse it out, the dust a little. And then you chop, make sure that the side fit. And look at our onion, all good now. In this amount of meat and vegetable, you put about ½ teaspoon of salt, some oil. We put oil in the pan. That's why we don't have to fry. And then we also oil this bread and put it there. Don't have to fry. You do you do baking like that, it's quicker. The oil gonna make everything crispy and tasty. Little bit of soy, little bit of oyster sauce. Probably for all this, 1 tablespoon would be good. Little bit of hoisin sauce, about another tablespoon. And a little bit of dark soy sauce, another tablespoon. And then a tablespoon or 2 of sesame oil. And a little bit of mustard, another tablespoon, like that. A tablespoon of sugar, 1 big tablespoon of pepper, and 1 big tablespoon of garlic. That's it. And I have special, I fry chopped garlic and chopped shallot in here. I have a shallot fry. I save it just to add on top. About 2 tablespoons like that in here. And that's it, that's all you do. Mix everything together. This mixture can use as egg roll, can make egg roll and other stuff as well. So you mix a lot and you use it later. Besides egg roll, you can make a tiny little wonton with meat in there and fry them or steam them, yeah? Or pan fry them as well. So this mixture is very good for many things. You don't have to use it all today. Freeze it and use on the next dish, okay? And then you are putting in 3 eggs. Be sure you don't put a shell in it. So with these bread, we just stuff them like that. Okay, ready to put in the oven. Put on the top shelf. If you have a second tray, you can put them at the bottom. We're going to put them in the convectional oven for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, if you see you need more browning, you can add more, but I guess at 25 minutes first, okay? From Great Taste of Las Vegas, hope you happy and healthy.